Okay, this is called One Oasis. Just have this labyrinth of apartments everywhere. And some massive windows as well. So most of them are kind of known for these massive windows. And what we're going to be doing is I'll kind of give you a brief overlook of what it looks like. And I think I'm going to go right into that park and then probably wander past that way and kind of give you an idea of exactly what it looks like in here. So stay tuned. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to give you an idea of what it looks like here. Let's go across the street and into the park if I can. But yeah, this is basically marked by all these tall buildings everywhere. Actually, I came in here because I filmed it before, but it's been a while. And this is kind of a community area right here. Maybe I might not go into the park. But you can see the mountains up on the side over there as well. I'm just gonna follow it like this. Kind of come around. And one of my goals was to try to document all the different streets in Macau. So on the Google Maps, it's really confusing. There's all these streets that don't exist as I'm looking for them. I've been here before, and I thought I filmed most of it. And I tried to focus on different streets, but then I realized that I don't really. I looked later and I was like, oh, these streets that are on Google Maps. Maybe I'll try to show you in a moment. But I think I do see a couple streets that I haven't filmed before. But basically this is a large community. There's even like this little, I think this is for the community right there. Like in the middle, there's also a park. You can see all these tall apartments everywhere. Let me just kind of, I'm going to show this Palmeiras. So if you're looking up on the map, you can see this is where the circle is at. And then there's all these little ones that go off to the sides. So there's one there. I think this one goes down to like a little bit of a park. If I could cross that street, I would. It's a little bit hard to cross. But down there's like a little bit of a place. Let me just turn off the camera. Okay, so basically I crossed the street. I was over there in the middle part, so that I can give you some better context. So all these tall apartments everywhere. And we're not too far from the water, so a lot of these people will have access to some hiking trails. You can see them way in the distance behind these buildings. There's some other ones behind these buildings too. And then there's also an access road to the ocean. Like there's like bike lanes that come in here. So we're also gonna and there's also a little community over here with restaurants. So we're gonna walk over there too. Okay, so we're just kind of meandering around. So you can see all these giant. I have been inside of one once, and if you're an expat, you probably know somebody that lives down in here. This is the old Hotel 13. But yeah, when you're in there too, it's also like you're just kind of looking at like this big, massive community of equally big apartments. This is Hotel 13. It used to be red. It's like they're coloring it gold and doing something with it. And then down this way is some restaurants that I haven't been to in a while. Let me see what we have here. The Veranda, Whoop Whoop, Izakaya, Bottles. Bottles is a kind of a bar. Jam and Butter Bakery. So the community will have access to some of these. There's the Izakaya over there. Nice sit down, nice restaurant. You can sit outside. That restaurant is this one. I saw the name Bottles, but I think Bottles is downstairs a little bit. So anyways, this is all part of the One Oasis community. Jam and Butter, different stuff you can get. Grand Oasis. So you can see all the way down there. And then in the distance, you can see some of the casinos. So at nighttime, you can see Parisian, Galaxy, That one is called, that orange, and that one's called Praya Park, so that's another community, different apartment set. And then over there is some of the buildings for Hengqin. I guess Fushin. Okay, it's okay, so we're gonna go down. This is where we're just at, was up on this little spot. And then down here, there's some more restaurants as well, including bottles. So it looks like there's some people sitting outside already for bottles. That's the name of it. And there's also a grocery, park and shop grocery store straight ahead. The taste. The music might affect my video a little bit, but that's kind of the ground floor things. We're going to go up and we're going to have a conclusion shortly. So, okay, so now we're back up. Here's the izakaya. There's places to sit around. So some of these are attached to restaurants, and other ones are just, I think, open to the public, like the benches. So this serves the community of one Oasis. Okay, so I guess on that note we're gonna end it. So that's a little slice of one Oasis. It's a Thursday in the evening, and we just went down this little community right here called the Veranda, bottles and such like that. But most of it is like marked by these tall apartment buildings that center around that park.